students, in this video we are going to do the exercise on simple past. Okay, so what is simple past? Let's take a short recap on simple past. Okay, simple past are the forms which is used to talk about the action which has already completed. Okay, when we are talking about the actions or any event which has already completed, which has happened in the past, they are refers to the simple past only. For talking about the simple past, we need to use simple past form only. Okay, so what are the two type of simple past forms we learned? Yes, they are regular verbs and irregular verbs. What are regular verbs? Regular verbs means in those verbs we add ed at the end of the verbs. Okay, so what about irregular verb? Irregular verb means in those verbs there may be a small change in the spelling, or the total word will be changed, or there will be no change in the verbs. Okay, so whenever we are talking about the simple past, we need to use the past form verb only. Okay, we need to use whether regular verbs or irregular verbs only. Okay, so let's start doing the exercise. Okay, this is the just general exercise. Here I have written the 5 simple present form sentence, and you need to turn this sentence into simple past form. See, turn the simple present form into the simple past form. Okay, so let me read out the first question for you. I drink a glass of milk in the morning. I drink a glass of milk in the morning. So here the verb will be drink only. I drink a glass of milk in the morning. This is the present form. Now we need to change only this verb. Okay, whenever you are converting present tense into past, you need to change only the verb. So here the verb is drink only. So what is the past form of drink? Do you know? Yes. What is that? Drank. Yes. Drink will become drank only in the past form. So I am going to write the answer. I drank, and all other words will come as it is. So I drank a glass of milk in the morning. So now this sentence has been converted into simple past form. So whenever you are converting or whenever you are changing this simple present into simple past, you need to change only the verb. Okay, so drink is the present form verb and drank is the past form verb. Okay, let me read out the second sentence for you. My grandmother tells me stories. My grandmother tells me stories. So can you find the verb in the sentence? My grandmother tells me stories. So here, which is the verb? Yes, tells. So tells is the verb. It is the present verb tell. So what we need to convert? We need to change it into past form. So can you tell me the past form for the verb tell? Yes, the answer is told only. So here only, in place of tell, we are going to write told, and all other words will come as it is. See, my grandmother tells will be what now? Yes, told. My grandmother told me stories. So here the past form of tell will be told only. Okay, so if you are facing difficult to find the verbs, means you can remember that the verb always comes after the subject only. So here which is the subject? My grandmother. After the subject there will be a verb in which we are going to make the changes only. So now the tells will become told and all other words will come as it is only, children. Okay, let's read out the third one. We live in Delhi. We live in Delhi. Can you tell me which is the verb here? We live in Delhi. Yes. Live is the present verb here. We live in Delhi. நாங்க டெல்லில வந்து வாழ்ந்துட்டு இருக்கோம். So now we need to change it into past form. Can you tell me the past form for live? Yes, that will be lived. So we lived in Delhi is the answer. We lived or lived in Delhi. So where is the change happened? Yes, only in this verb place. So now the live is the present verb has been converted into past form, that is live, and all other words we have written as it is. Okay, let me read out the fourth question for you. Rahul dances in the rain yesterday. Rahul dances in the rain yesterday. Okay, so here can you tell me which is the verb here? Here the subject is Rahul and dances. After the subject only the verb. So dances is the verb. I'm going to underline dances. So can you tell me what is the past form for the verb dance? Dance, yes. Dance is the base form, and what is the past form for dance? That is danced. We are going to add D only. So the sentence now will become like Rahul danced in the rain yesterday. Rahul danced in the rain yesterday. So here danced is the past form. Okay, so are you clear, children, what we have done? Okay, we have find the verb, we have find the present verb, and in which in the present verb only going to change it into past form only. So now the dances become dance. See here also live will become live. And what about tells? Yes, it become told. And what about drink? Drink has changed into drank only. So let me read out the last question. Kamala sits in the park. Kamala sits in the park. So can you find the verb here? What is the verb? Yes, that is sits. Sits is the present form. Now we need to change this sits into past form. What is the past form of sit? Yes, we learned that past form of sit will be sat only. So the changes is going to happen only in this place. In place of sit, I am going to write sat. Then all other words will come as it is. See now the changes will become like Kamala sat in the park. So sit has been changed into sat only. I hope you are clear with this exercise, children. So let me read out the question with answer once again. See what we need to do in this exercise. We have changed the present form verb into the past form. We have convert the simple present form into simple past form. Let me read out the first question. I drink a glass of milk in the morning. It means what? நான் காலையில ஒரு glass milk வந்து நான் குடிச்சேன். Okay, குடிப்பேன். Okay, this is the present. And then now the past will be, what is the past form of drink? Yes, that is drank. I drank a glass of milk in the morning. Now the sentence will be like நான் காலையில ஒரு glass பால் வந்து குடிச்சேன். Okay, குடித்தேன் and குடிப்பேன். That is the difference. Okay, now this is the present sentence and this is the past sentence. Now let me read out the second. My grandmother tells me stories. In grandmother, என்னுடைய பாட்டி எனக்கு கதை கூறுகிறார்கள். We can say in the present. And now the tales will be told in the past tense. So now the sentence will become like my grandmother told me stories. என் பாட்டி எனக்கு கதை சொன்னாங்க. Okay, that is the meaning. Let me read out the third one. We live in Delhi. நாங்க டெல்லியில இருக்கிறோம், வாழ்ந்துட்டு இருக்கோம். Okay, now past tense will be we live in Delhi. நாங்க டெல்லியில வாழ்ந்துட்டு இருந்தோம். Not now because it is in the past only. So what is the past form of live? Lived only. Okay, let me read out the fourth one. Rahul dances in the rain yesterday. Rahul வந்து மழையில நனைகிறான். Okay, so what is the past will be? Rahul danced in the trained yesterday. So dance will become danced. So danced means dance ஆடினாங்க நேத்திக்கு. Okay, so the action has been completed. Let me read out the fifth one. Kamala sits in the park. Kamala வந்து பார்க்ல உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கிறாள். Okay, Kamala sat in the park. Kamala பார்க்ல உட்கார்ந்து இருந்தா. Not now. The action has completed. Okay, now the verb sit has been changed into sat in the past form. So I hope you are clear with this exercise, children. So whenever if you find the present form verb and if they are asking you to convert into past, you need to change only the verb only. Okay, and all other words will come as it is. See, here I have made the changes only in this place, verb place. That is drink will become drank, and tells become told, and leave become lived, and dances will become danced, and at last sits become sat only. And all other words I have written as it is only. And try to make the other exercise also by yourself, children. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.